Hey, welcome back to the series of business studies, chapter 8, controlling. In this video, we are going to learn about management audit and management information system. By the way, this is OBC online business class. If you still not subscribed, consider it. We also have Facebook, Telegram, and other social media pages. Go and check out. Links are given below. Starting with management audit. Management audit refers to systematic classification of overall performance of the management, and then the main purpose is to review the efficiency and effectiveness of management. By that, they can improve the performance and also helpful to identify the deficiency in the performance of management function. Thus, management audit may define as evaluation of function, performance, and effectiveness of management of organization. Moving on to the next advantages of management audit. The main advantage of management audit are it helps to identify the present and upcoming deficiency in the performance so that they can analyze problem early. Next advantage, it helps to improve the controlling system of an organization by continuously monitoring the performance of management. When continuously monitoring something, obviously it reduces the errors. It improves the coordination in the functions of various departments so that they can work together efficiently to achieve organization goal. Next advantage, they ensure updating the existing managerial policies and strategies in case if any changes in business environment, they can adjust to that. So moving on to the next topic, that is PERT and CPM. What do you mean by CPRT? CPRT is nothing but Program Evaluation and Review Technique, and CPM is also known as Critical Path Method. Then what is this? These are the important network techniques. These techniques are especially used for planning, scheduling, and implementing the time boundary projects, and it also improves the performance and variety of complex, diversity, and interrelated activities. The main intention of these techniques is to proper handling with a time schedule and resource allotment for activities, and they aim to achieve effective completion of project within given time, schedule, and given cost. PERT and CPM are used extensively in the areas like shipbuilding, construction project, aircraft manufacturers, etc. Next, moving on to the steps involved in PERT and CPM. So, starting with the steps, these projects are divided into a number of clearly identifiable activities which are then arranged in logical sequence, so it helps them to analyze quickly. Next step, a network diagram is prepared in order to show the sequence of activities like starting point to ending point of a project so that it helps to give a bird view of overall project. Next step, this sequence usually prepared to estimate the time for every activities which have been taken, or this technique we usually prepare estimated time for every activities in how much time they used to prepare the work, like that. Next, moving on to the next step, this technique also helps to identify the long path in the network so that it will highlight the critical path. By that they can represent a sequence of activities in that which are helpful to improve the timely completion of the project and without delaying the entire project. Next step, sometime for the management, if they require any plan modification like that, this step will help to modify the plan so that they can execute a plan according to the time and completion they're getting. Basically it shows whether this project is under control or not. So moving on to the next topic, that is management information system. Generally it's a computer based information system that provide information and support for effective managerial decision making. For every decision makers, they require up-to-date, accurate, timely information. That's why MIS provide the required information to the manager so that they can systematically analyze the process of massive data into short, understandable, and readable, portable manner. Next, we are moving on to the last topic of this class, that is MIS advantages to the manager. Basically, there are so many advantages. They're given topmost of that. So starting with the first one, it helps to collection of data for the manager in different levels of management so that it makes easy for them. When you're getting various department data based on the different section of organization, we can easily find out where we are getting lack. So moving on to the next advantages, it's about planning, decision making, and controlling in all levels. It helps in improving the quality of information so that the manager can take decisions effectively. It ensures cost effectiveness in managing information so that it reduces the cost. Next advantages, it reduces the information overload on the manager by reducing the information and providing the necessary information to the managers. So it creates less burden on the manager. Congratulations, we just completed chapter 8, controlling. If you like this video, hit like and share with your friends. Like always, see you in the next series. Bye.